China is the world number one in goat farming. India stands second. According to the animal census of 2003, China has 19.5 crore and we have 12.5 crore goats. Population of goat is double to that of sheep in India. West Bengal has 1.9 crore, Rajasthan 1.7 crore and Uttar Pradesh has 1.3 crore population of goats. Karnataka has 45 lakh goats, which is almost half of the sheep population. Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka are popular for sheep. But now, goat farming is getting momentum. Goats from these states are being sold in neighboring states.